The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Greene County, Holly Springs County, effective until 12 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar of rainfall has been likely over the past 3 hours. Showers and thunderstorms will produce at 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this dangerous storm include Haywood, Glanville, Rockhill, Popscamp, Blackwater, Lakes, Oklahoma, Lake Center, and Dakin. When flooding, make a smart choice: turn around, don't drown. Stay tuned to this broadcast at NOAA Weather Radio or television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating. A flash flood warning has been issued at 12 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Haywood, Glanville, Rockhill, Popscamp, Blackwater, Lakes, Oklahoma, Lake Center, and Dakin.